I think these guys took a leave today so that I can vlog in the terrace and talk to you guys. Rainy and winter season is my most favorite time of the year, and guess what? It's been raining over here from today morning. It's the perfect vloggers weather where it's not too hot or it's not too cold or it's not raining, so that vloggers can vlog outside, right? Before a couple of days I had to change my internet connection due to some connectivity issues. We didn't have our internet connection just for one day, that is 24 hours, and believe me, that 24 hours has been the most frustrating time ever in this COVID pandemic itself. Only then I got to understand or realize that don't take little things for granted. I am really not gonna lie, I used to be a materialistic guy who is always searching happiness in materialistic objects before he started to judge me. I am not anymore like that, okay? I've changed from there to here. Nowadays my focus has been shifted to finding joy in those little things, you know. For example, something happened today morning. The moment when I stepped outside of my house, it was raining, and immediately I thought, oh no, I'm gonna get wet, I can't go to the gym, you know, I might get cold. Finding all those small reasons in order not to enjoy the rain itself. But then since I've changed, I told myself, fuck it, I'm not gonna care if I'm gonna get cold, I'm not gonna care if I'm gonna get wet. I'm just gonna go outside, I'm gonna enjoy the rain, I'm gonna enjoy the nature. It's 9:30 in the morning and I'm heading to my morning workout. It's been raining pretty bad early in the morning and I'm just loving the ride in the rain itself. But I gotta switch this off and I gotta go concentrate on my workout. So back to the house. I recently read an article where researchers have found that when your mind doesn't have anything to worry about, it automatically finds something to worry about. You know what I mean? Especially in this corona pandemic where everyone's got to stay in their house, everyone's got to do nothing. Consequently, you don't have to worry about anything, you don't have to go outside, you don't have to do anything. You just have to stare each other's face. And as researchers found, if your mind doesn't have anything to worry, it automatically finds something to worry about. I'm trying to overcome it, or trying to go against my brain and not worrying about simple things instead of finding joy in simple things. When I went to get bananas down the road for my breakfast, I saw a lot of people complaining, oh no, it's raining, oh no, my bike got wet. See, our mind automatically seeks things to worry. Even my own mind tried to say the same thing, oh no, I'm gonna get wet, oh no, I can't go to the gym, oh no, I'm gonna get cold. But I am trying to change it or go against it, you know, go in a reverse direction. Fuck it, I'm gonna enjoy it, I'm gonna enjoy this little thing, I'm gonna make the most out of it. I have transitioned from a is that even a word? Who cares? I have transitioned from a materialistic guy who is more addicted towards brands and materialistic objects into finding joy in little things in life. When I say little things, I literally mean little things. For example, in the bathroom, when you keep the soap in the soap box itself, it gradually melts due to the water present in the soap box itself. And I have found a way to get rid of that. And today morning when I went to the bathroom, I saw the soap not melting or not having that water squishy thing on top of it. I really felt happy immediately after seeing that. Not really happy, it gave me that instant joy or little things in life, you know. I am gonna sum up this whole experience in just one sentence in my terms. The process of finding instant gratification in those little things in life that gives you joy and adds to your happiness, instead of mindlessly chasing into materialism or materialistic objects. I think these guys didn't go for a leave. I think they just took a lunch break. I'm just grateful that I did a vlog during their lunch break itself.